Ready?
Yep.
Alright, here we go. These have been growing since, when did we plant these?
Oh, I don't know.
June?
Yeah.
These have been growing since June, May or June. It might be a little early to harvest them, but we'll see.
No, you don't pull them out. You gotta dump the whole bucket
Just
over.
dump it out. I have to pull these first.
Oh, look at
Little tiny ones.
a tiny sweet potato.
Oh. Decent size. Well, not really, but bigger anyway. Little tiny sweet potatoes. A lot of them, though.
Well, that's cool.
A bunch.
At least we know it works.
Right? Little baby ones. I think that's it for this bucket.
Is that it?
Looks like it.
Yep. Oh, one more.
I think that's all of them.
Cool.
Well, it works.
Yep.
This is all our sweet potatoes. In one bucket. See what the other bucket looks like.
Don't lose it down the hole in the deck. Oh, that's a good size one.
Size one. Oh, look at that.
Sweet potato curry.
They're the perfect size for it.
Yep.
Looks like that's it for this bucket.
Well, it was half the size.
Yeah. Still, decent amount of them if they're not the hugest ones. I mean, that right there is good for sweet potato casserole, sweet potato curry.
Yep. All of our sweet potatoes.